Hello everybody, Wade Motts from the National Civil War Museum up in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, coming to you on the Gettysburg Battlefield along the Taneytown Road, West Cemetery Hill, next to the 136th New York Volunteer Infantry Regiment for an episode of Return to the Battlefield, Gettysburg Artifacts. So we're doing a series, we're returning items that would have been here or associated here, either at Gettysburg or some other battlefield related to the Civil War in the collections of the National Civil War Museum. And today we're going to talk about an object that we just received. I'm doing the video in the fall of 2025 at the National Civil War Museum from a private donor that relates to this unit. But before we do, we got Mike behind the camera. Let's take a little look at where we're at. So first of all, Mike is pointing looking south. This is the Taneytown Road. The stone wall that you see right here would have been the location of the 136th New York. And then right out over here behind me would have gone down to the Emmitsburg Road and the skirmish line for the 136th New York during the Battle of Gettysburg from the evening of July 1st all the way to the 4th of July, right after the Battle of Gettysburg. You've got skirmishers all across here. This regiment skirmished during the battle. It's part of Orland Smith's brigade of the Union Army 11th Corps, Adolph von Steinwehr's division. Now, from here, let's move around here. Let's come over here, and Mike is going to pan around. This is the National Cemetery, and then off in the distance, right over here behind me, will be the Soldiers' National Monument, nearby where Lincoln gave his famed Gettysburg Address. So if you want to come back out here, you can walk along here. There's a public pathway to be able to do it. But what I want to do is bring out a special item, and I've got it back here, and I'm going to open it up because this is about battlefield objects. And we're going to, like we said, we called it Return to the Battlefield. And it's considered best practices now not to use gloves when it comes to diaries or letters, just have clean hands. I got my shadow in here. Mike, you want to try to photograph this. This is the diary just received relatively soon from the time of this video in 2025 at the National Civil War Museum of George Miller of Company B of the 136th New York Volunteer Infantry Regiment. This diary was right here along this stone wall during the Battle of Gettysburg, and I actually have it open to the pages of July 1st, right there, where he talks about marching up onto the battlefield and then coming over here in getting online to this. Miller was a farmer. He was born in Steuben County, New York. His tombstone says 1836, but the pension record at the National Archives says that George Miller was born September 8, 1837. He is present for duty in all the engagements from 1862 to 1865 for the 136th New York, and this diary would have been in his pocket right here along this stone wall here at the Battle of Gettysburg on July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 1863. He survives the Civil War. He dies in 1910, and he has problems with his lungs for most of his lifetime. And his pension record talks about the lung issues, really, that he has. He can't do manual labor. He's a traveling salesman for most of his lifetime, and he goes into, I believe it's the hardware business, goes into business for most of his lifetime. But he dies in 1910, and he is buried in Springwater, New York. Springwater, New York is the location of his burial in Livingston County, New York, Western New York. So a diary that was here at Gettysburg on July 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 1863, George Miller, Company B of the 136th Volunteer Infantry Regiment. I want to thank you for tuning into this video for Return to the Battlefield, Gettysburg Artifacts, and please keep with us at the National Civil War Museum. Tune in on all the social media channels, follow and like us, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.